Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to the channel. This is Don from TOD Media. Today I'm going to be answering the number one question that I get asked a lot. What is the best camera for my vlogging or YouTube setup? If you want to find out which one of these cameras I recommend, please watch all the way up to the end and find out which one it is. And I would appreciate if you can leave a like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. Tell me what do you think, or what other things you would like to see on this channel. Alright, without wasting much time, on the very left side, I've got a very heavy setup. This is a Canon 5D and it's got a 70 to 200 millimeter lens. As you can see, this is very big and very cumbersome. I do not think you want to be holding your vlogging camera like this. And also, when you're buying a vlogging camera or setup, you want something that's compact, easy to use, and has good quality. No doubt, the 5D will give you one of the best qualities. The 1080p or the 4K in here is very high quality, and it will definitely deliver if you want to do something simple and easy. But the thing is, the quality is compromised by the size in this setup, because you definitely have to lug this around. And if you're seated at a restaurant, I don't see you holding, or at an event, holding your camera going like this. So this, for quality, if you already have this existing, go ahead and use it. But to say you should purchase it solely for a vlogging setup where you want to be interactive with people walking around, that's a no for me. Secondly, I've got this amazing Eos R. It's a mirrorless, so obviously the size has been compressed, as you can see, as compared to the 5D. These cameras are pretty much the same. The performance, this is a Eos R. The quality out of here is very good, very similar to the 5D Mark IV, but the Eos R is much smaller because it's a mirrorless camera. Is it also easy for using? Definitely much easier. I could see myself vlogging like this and talking, and it doesn't weigh that much. And paired with this 24 to 105, you can do a lot of good work with it. You don't have to change a lot of things. I am currently shooting at 24 millimeters. So this distance is what this 24 millimeter will do for you. So yeah, this is one of the contenders. We'll have to find out. And the middle part, I've got a video camera. So these are a little bit old school for most people, and most people don't think they can consider this, but they actually are very handy cameras, and they do a lot of good work. A lot of good work. You can vlog, especially if you are going to be seated at your desk. It's got a tilt flip screen, and it's got a lot of ports. This particular one has a lot of ports. This is also a handycam. This is also a handycam, but this one has got a lot more ports to connect to, and a lot more manual settings. If you want to put a condenser microphone or a boom mic or something, it's easy to connect to this. Well, as this one, which I'll get to in a minute. So this one, I recommend it for beginners, because now you can pick up something like this for relatively cheap on marketplace, because most people are now rushing for mirrorless cameras and they're ditching the old school video camera setup. The video camera is still a very good option for you to use when making your vlogging videos, and it's quite easy to carry because it's got this carry part. So if you're out and about in the park, you have some stabilization by holding it like this and focusing on what you're recording. And you can also put it on a tripod and record yourself. You could actually hold it with a strap and vlog with it as well. So it's built and designed in a way that it's much easier to use, and these days the resolution is very good on these. Then I'll come to this much smaller version of the handycam, of the camcorder to this handycam, which is exactly this, just streamed down, which makes it a lot more portable for you to walk around with. You can put it in your pocket. It's tiny. You can literally hold it like this, and it's not very conspicuous like this one. It's not too bulky. It's not too much in your face. It's easy to use. The quality for this is not the greatest, but if you're just looking for something to start, I would recommend this as well. The next item is one of these. The exact one that I have here is the Sony ZV-1. This one has got 4K, cost a lot more than the handycam, but the quality here and the lens that they put on this is definitely outmatched. You just plug it, turn it on, and this particular model has got a mic in port, which is very recommended, because what you want with every vlog is the sound is just as important as the picture. So if you put a microphone here, I have a microphone, okay, you can put in a microphone here and up here. Even the built-in microphone is not so bad. So I would recommend something like this because it's tiny, it's small, it goes in your pocket. It's got built-in Wi-Fi. You can transfer your content straight to your phone or your laptop and upload. And it's easy to use. So these are definitely still on the rise. As far back as the Canon G7X, those ones were very good. The built-in camera that they put in here, this one has got a 24 to 70, which is similar with what I'm using on this camera that I'm using. I'm recording on a Canon R6 with a 24 to 70. And this camera also has a 24 to 70. Obviously the quality won't be as matched as a big mirrorless like the Canon R6, but for what they've put in here, the quality that comes out of here is excellent. I will try to attach some footage and show you exactly what I've recorded with this one. And one, not the last, but not the last yet, I've got a GoPro, my GoPro Hero 9. You could, I think from Hero 5, the GoPros were very good for vlogging. The advantage that happened at Hero 9 is they put a front forward screen. So you don't have to guess if you're in frame or not. You just spray it on and it shows you your picture, so you'll be able to see yourself. So from Hero 9, Hero 10, obviously going upwards, the front forward screen is an advantage if you're going to use this as a vlogging tool. And the quality that is in here, this records up to 4.5K, if not 5K itself, resolution. So the GoPros are highly recommended. I think they produce a very good quality image and you can use it for vlogging. And last but not least, I think cell phones are very powerful tools for people who are just getting into vlogging. You want to get into vlogging, your cell phone is the first place to start because it's always with you. And if you're going to get into vlogging, you want something that's easy to use. This as opposed to this, I would choose this. If I'm a vlogger, I would always go for a ZV-1 or Canon G7X, G7X Mark II, or some of these digital cameras that you can use. They're digital mirrorless. They don't have a mirror, obviously. They're digital cameras. You can hold it. They're tiny, they're small, they're compact, and now they're putting a lot of quality. This particular one has got 4K and the stabilization is decent. So yeah, over this, I would always use this because you'll be able to, the whole idea of vlogging is so that if something starts happening or you find yourself at a certain place, you just whoop it out and you start recording. But the cell phone is the number one thing that I think a lot of people who are jumping into vlogging should start with. Before you think of buying or investing in an expensive camera, because definitely these cameras are much more expensive. The quality, the mirrorless like the Eos R will set you second hand looking 20,000 plus, somewhere there, if it's coming with a lens. So if you can start with a cell phone, if you have a decent enough cell phone, and most cell phones are capable of recording high quality 1080p, even 4K footage. I have an iPhone 12 and the quality from here, I've vlogged so many times. Look at this footage. My kids and I were at some place, a water park, and we were using primarily the cell phone. I was using this phone to record, and the footage is definitely usable, as you can see from this example in the video. So guys, my final take, what is the best camera to use when you want to start a vlog? My honest opinion is the best camera is the one that you have. You cannot wait to start doing something because you want to jump into a mirrorless or a DSLR. If you have a cell phone, start recording from there. Once you start getting momentum, trust me, if you are building a fan base, it doesn't really matter how your quality looks like, but it matters what type of content you have, because your clients or your fans are going to come to you for your content and not for your quality. And then as you grow, when you see that now I'm definitely got so many fans, let me invest into something like this. Then as you go, you get to a DSLR, but start with what you have. It might not even be yours. If you have a family, if you don't have a very good phone, but one of your family members has got a better phone, work out a plan. On days that they are free and you are free, you can always pick up your phone. I mean, vlogs are no more than 30 minutes. Pick up their phone, hold it or set it on a tripod and start recording yourself. The key idea is to start recording and doing a lot more things. That is the only way you're gonna make it. That is my thoughts. Quality over convenience. So which one do you want? You can don't be fooled. The phones have got good quality as well, and they are much more convenient. You don't need a computer afterwards. You just pick up your phone, record yourself, and you post it to social media. And as your channel grows, you now start investing in something like a mirrorless, which I recommend the most. You get even like the M100, the M10, or the Sony a6000, Sony a63000. Those cameras produce very good high quality image, and you'll find yourself improving your quality, the quality of your image, just from improving your camera setup. But for now, if you don't have the money to invest, or you are a startup, pick up your phone. It will help you practice to record more. It will help you practice to do a lot more things. Obviously, as a businessman who sells cameras, I want you to buy the biggest and most expensive camera, but I'm giving you an honest opinion to say, start with what you have. Borrow a phone whenever you with your friend who's got a better camera or a better phone. Let them record you, record yourself with their phone, then transfer your image to your phone and upload to your social media, to your YouTube page, and start doing things. Thank you very much, guys. If you found this video of any help, I'd appreciate if you can leave a comment in the comment section. Leave a like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, Instagram. It's TLD Media SA on Instagram. We do everything to do with photography, video production. I'll show you some behind the scenes of what I'm doing right now and how I'm recording this. Locations matter. I am just seated in my kitchen area. This is my living room. That's my studio area, but I just decided to be here because I needed more space to work with. So it doesn't matter where you are, you don't have to wait, you can record exactly where you are. Thank you for watching TLD Media. Subscribe and see you in the next video.